From running errands and off-roading adventures to the daily work grind, pickup trucks are a versatile option for slugging it around the neighborhood and the work site. The models that manufacturers produce cover a wide range of sizes and capabilities, from basic mid-size work trucks to heavy-duty behemoths loaded with luxury features and even including electric pickups. Today, we explore the new generation of trucks in 2020 with the Millie Jackson channel. The 2020 Isuzu D-Max. It's been 8 long years, but finally Isuzu has given its sturdy, dependable D-Max double cab ute an overhaul for the 2020 model year in the form of an all-new model. The exterior adopts a chunky, rugged demeanor while upgrading its headlights to bi-LED projectors. The new D-Max will be fitted with electromagnetic rear differential lock for improved off-road capability and for ease of use. Inside, the new D-Max is fitted with an impressive array of technology in a fresh upscale interior. Rivian R1T. Rivian, a fairly new American automotive company, is set to release their first electric truck soon. Helping to seal the deal and transform this company from vaporware to real consumer products, Amazon has invested a good chunk of money into Rivian. It seems Tesla will have a real rival on its hands as Rivian hopes to start production of its R1T pickup in a former Mitsubishi assembly plant in Normal, Illinois by the end of 2020. The heavy-duty pickup wars officially have a new leader. Ford announced power, payload, and towing figures for the 2020 F-Series Super Duty lineup, and they're all best-in-class numbers. Tremor enables you to combine weekday work and weekday adventure with upgraded suspension and off-road running boards, plus 35-inch maximum traction all-terrain tires, the largest tires fitted to a heavy-duty pickup. The 2021 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Previewed as a concept model way back in 2015, Hyundai's Santa Cruz pickup truck is coming to America, and it will also be built in America. The South Korean automaker announced that Santa Cruz production will begin in 2021 at the company's Montgomery, Alabama assembly plant. The fact that the Hyundai Santa Fe is also built at this plant suggests that the production Santa Cruz may share some components with that mid-size crossover. It will be a similar type of vehicle to the Honda Ridgeline, which itself is mechanically similar to the Honda Pilot crossover. The Santa Cruz concept was a car-based pickup with a small bed and a compact cab with rear hinged half doors. We suspect that the real thing may be a crew cab with 4 forward hinged doors. As far as powertrain specs, towing capacities, or pretty much anything else, we're still being kept in the dark. The 2020 Jeep Gladiator. In 2020, Jeep's new pickup is based on the Wrangler. The new truck will be called the Gladiator instead of the Scrambler. The base engine will come standard with engine stop-start, which allows the engine to shut itself off when the Gladiator is stopped at red lights to help save fuel. The Gladiator will feature best-in-class towing, according to Jeep. It will also be the most off-road capable truck in the compact segment. Inside, the Gladiator still resembles the Wrangler. 5 passengers can fit in the Gladiator on standard cloth or optional leather seats. The 2020 Toyota Tacoma. Even though it's one of the oldest trucks in its class, the Toyota Tacoma TRD Pro proves it's still plenty capable off-road, especially with the upgrades it gets for 2020. All of the same rugged cues from last year's model carry over. Fox shocks, skid plates, a 2-speed transfer case. But the larger 8-inch infotainment screen of the updated truck makes the range-exclusive low-speed trail camera easier to view. And the standard snorkel now provides better airflow to the engine when fording deeper water. The 2020 Mitsubishi L200. The Mitsubishi L200 has had a minor makeover for the 2020 model year, but the changes will appeal to those who want to head off-road. Mitsubishi has added a rear differential lock to the middle-of-the-range GLX Plus and GLS, and also added the air recirculating roof pod. The GLX Plus does still, however, miss out on Mitsubishi's Super Select system, which allows the L200 to be operated in 4-wheel drive on sealed roads. For now, only the GLS and GLS Premium retain this. The 2020 Nissan Titan. Nissan updates its half-ton pickup truck with a revised powertrain, fresh styling, and new features. The numerous styling changes obviously mirror those of the 2020 Titan, including a bolder grille in different designs depending on the trim level. Nissan also revised the standard 5.6-liter V8 to make more horsepower and torque, and paired it with an all-new 9-speed automatic transmission. Along with more desirable options, the 2020 Titan adds a host of standard and available driver assistance features. The 2020 Nissan Titan XD will go on sale early 2020. The rumors of the diesel engine's demise are greatly exaggerated. One of the latest additions to this segment is the 2020 GMC Sierra. The prowess of the Sierra AT4 HD isn't just projected in its looks. It comes standard with an off-road suspension, Rancho shocks, and Eaton locking rear differential. It has technology upgrades as well. The traction select system comes with off-road mode. There's also standard hill descent control and hill start assist. The 2020 Chevrolet Silverado. A year after the Silverado 1500 received its overhaul, the Silverado Heavy Duty gets a full redesign for 2020, 2500 Heavy Duty and 3500 Heavy Duty. Now its strong capability, diverse powertrain lineup and generous infotainment offerings still make the Silverado worthy of lengthy test drives. It's certainly not a bad choice. Technology has also been upgraded as the Silverado HD's new trailering apps and 15-view trailering camera system trickle down to the 1500. The available adaptive cruise control system is also enhanced with a new camera-based sensor. The 2020 Silverado is available with an unmatched diversity of engine options along with multiple transmissions and even cylinder deactivation systems. What pickup truck do you most expect in 2020? Share with the Millie Jackson channel why you chose it